Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer. I want to show you how you guys can take a screenshot using a MacBook. So here I have a quiz that I want to give to my students. So the first thing I need to do is go ahead and put my quiz in full mode. Once you click anywhere on the document, you're going to hit Command Shift and the number 4. Once you do that, you will have this new cursor. So with the new cursor, everything that you want that's going to be part of the screenshot, you can just fill that in, right? And then you see this right here, that means it's automatically going to save to my desktop. So being that now that it's saved to my desktop, if I double click it, this is my screenshot of it, right? So you can rotate it, you can mark it up, you can fill in the blank, things of that nature. But what I wanted to show you guys was something that I learned over the COVID. So here I bring it to Google Slides and I can start a new blank document, right? Once I start a new blank document, I'm going to want to edit this stuff here, take all of those out. I'm going to file here, and then we're going to go to, page setup. Instead of widescreen, we're going to go to custom. We're going to turn it into a late 11 by 5. That's going to change the format, right? Now I can go to insert and I can go, you're going to go to slide, change background. We can go to choose image, and I'm going to get the image of the screenshot from my desktop. And now here's my quiz here. And what I can do is insert text boxes that can allow the students to input their answers. And then once I'm done, I can just save it as a PowerPoint.